Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel VBA code series that is running into my channel. So friends, today with this video we are going to learn about the for each loops to loop through the cell that is in cell range. To work effectively in VBA you must understand loops. Loops allow you to repeat a code block a set number of times or repeat a code block on each object in a set of objects. At first we need to go to the developer tab, then click on Visual Basic, or you can directly press the Alt and F11 key to directly get into the Visual Basic editor VBE. Then click on Insert a new module. So friends, at first we need to use a cell range where we will use our for each loops in cell range. So let's type something here, let's say number. We are going to use positive or negative numbers in a cell range. So here suppose we are going to use 20 minus 10 0, then in the next 5 or minus 18, etc. right? So this one will be our cell range from A2 to A6. Remember that cell range. So now here we are working into sheet 1 and module 1, right? So at first we need to use the sub procedure to declare our procedure and type the name as you want. I am typing the name as if underscore loop, then open bracket and close bracket, then hit enter. Look at here, your sub procedure name has been changed now and in sub has been entered successfully. Now here we need to declare our variable, and how we declare our variable, that is dim. In Visual Basic Editor we declare our variables by using the dim, and whatever word you type next to the dim is your variable name. I am typing cell as my variable and this one will be selected as range. Select that from the drop down menu, highlight it and press the tab button to autofill it, then hit enter. Come to the next line. Now here we are going to use the for each loops. So at first type for each cell, in here type range, and what our range was from A2 to A6. Look at here, from A2 to A6, right? So type here as A2 colon A6, close the double inverted comma, close the bracket and hit enter. Now type if cell dot select value from the drop down menu, highlight it and press the tab button, use the greater than symbol, then type 0, here use then hit enter and come to the next line. Type cell dot select offset, open the bracket, here type 0 comma 1, that will be the positive or anything else, dot select value from the drop down menu equals to what it will be showed as positive. So we are typing positive in double quotation, close the double quotation, hit enter. Look at here, everything has been capitalized so that you will not get any error till now. Now use the else if function. Else if cell dot select value again, then use the lesser than symbol, type 0 again, use then hit the enter and come to the next line. Type again cell dot select offset from the drop down menu, open the bracket, 0 comma 1, follow the same process, close the bracket, dot select value from the drop down menu equals to, now what it will be showed when the number is lesser than from 0, it will be showed as negative. So we are typing negative in the double quotation, close the quotation and hit enter. Now you need to again type else, come to the next line, type cell dot offset, open the bracket. Now type again 0, 1, close the bracket, dot value. That means whenever it is not positive or negative, when it is 0, it will showed as 0. So give a equation symbol, type 0 in the quotation, close the quotation. Now it's time to end your conditions and your code. Type end if, that will end your code. Now type next cell, right? Now that's all. Your code has been successfully completed. Now press the Ctrl and S key from your keyboard to save it, and make sure to save that. At first type your workbook name. I am typing it as if loop. You will find the download link of this workbook in the description box. Please check that. Select save as type as Excel macro enabled workbook, or your whole work will be vanished in a second. Now click on save. Look at here, it has been saved. Now close this. Now click on here and run your code. Where you will find your code will be in macros. Then look at here, it is here, if loop. Now run this code. Look at here, it has been successfully applied. And if you type anything else and then again run your code, it will be showed you the result according to your numbers. Isn't it cool, friends? So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, share your opinion as well as your queries in the comment section. I'll come back soon with the next part of this video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and keep practicing.